Hey guys, welcome to my Typb YouTube channel. Today we will be trying the magnifier experiment. In the magnifier experiment, you try to use the sun and a magnifying glass to pretty much just burn through materials like leaves, cardboard, thicker cardboard, and maybe wood. So let's do it. The first thing we will be doing is a leaf. So you have to line the sun up to the middle of the magnifying glass, and you try to get the smallest dot possible. It's already smoking. Yeah, it's burning through it. There it is. The smaller the dot, the better it is. See the damage it did to that leaf?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just by the magnifying glass. So let's move on to really thin wood. This one's a hard material too.
Looks like it.
Mine's gotten a little brown.
Did it make a mark yet? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know if that's a shadow or...
On this one there's notches, so it would be, on the big wood it would be easier because there's notches. Okay, we're gonna go on to the third, maybe to last, material, and it's thick cardboard. So, I don't know about this one.
Like, take a look. That's why you're trying. The smaller the dot, right?
Yeah.
And what kind of magnifying glass are you using?
A really old one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that just like a cheap
Yeah,
magnifying
this
glass
is a
we
cheap
can get at any store, or?
Yeah, you can get this anywhere. We've had this laying around our house for like 4 years. We haven't used it ever.
Okay, just in case, you know, someone asks, where did you get your magnifying glass? Is it starting to burn something? Oh, it's starting to turn a little dark.
Working on this for like 5 or 10 minutes, and that's all the progress I got. It's not easy for thicker cardboard.
No, that's pretty thick, but you made progress.
Yep.
You must have made a line, or kind of a line.
Yeah, it took a while just to get started. But the smoke was coming out of the leaks and the holes. So that was pretty cool. Okay, it's time to move on to a bigger material. Now we're going to do cardboard. And it's a little hard.
That's paper. It's thicker.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's burning. There's the hole.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it did some damage to that cardboard. Well, thin cardboard. You look right there.
See it? There's a big hole there.
Yeah. Okay. Well, all the materials we used today worked pretty good. Okay. And this is the second to last material, and it's newspaper. we did this before, but I want to see how many pieces it can go through.
I think it's starting to smoke.
Yep.
There it is.
Yeah, it's been smoking for a little bit.
It's a minute 40 seconds.
Let's see what it can do.
There it is.
That's one.
That's more than one page.
Okay. Let's see what
I
it
think
did.
that's the whole page. Yeah.
Went through one. Went through two. And stopped on the third. Yeah, this is like plastic paper. It stopped on this one. Okay, we're gonna try the colored cardboard now and see how that works. Oh, it's already smoking. Look at it.
Nice. I think there's a hole already.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you need to do to make sure that it burns through an item?
So you want a
Material.
perfect circle, because see, if I put it close, it's a big circle. And you want that circle to be as small as you can get it. Then it'll start burning. Just keep it steady in one place.
And make sure the sun is shining through it.
Yep. See? It's smoldering now. That worked good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, make sure to have safety goggles. We'll do this again. Okay, let's tie the rope with the balloon. Ooh, it's starting to smoke a little.
It's a twine.
So it's not gonna be easy.
It's time to smoke.
Oh, there it goes.
That looks good.
Yeah, that works. Let's move on to the last material. It's some sticks, but it's really dry. So it should be cool. Okay, let's do it.
Can't see the smoke.
I don't think it is yet.
It's time to burn.
Oh, yeah? There it is.
A minute and 13 seconds. Look at that. That's cool.
Yeah. That was like not going for a while, and then I just made a hole. So I found out the easiest materials to burn are leaves or paper. But it can't be white paper because light things reflect off. And the darker things take it in, so it's easier to burn. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.